Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate JavaScript alerts using Selenium Java. Okay, so first we will see the page we are going to automate. So, this is the demo page we are going to see today. Okay, so here we are having the alerts. So, first alert, when we are clicking on that, you will be getting OK button. So, we are going to click OK through automation. Okay. After clicking OK, you will be getting you successfully clicked on an alert in the bottom. Okay. Similarly, we can try with the second option. You will be getting cancel and OK button. First, we will try to click OK through automation. Then we will click on cancel. Okay. Third option we have is we are getting with field to enter some text. You can enter the text and click on OK. I am entering test as a text. After that, click on OK. You will be getting the test which you entered in that particular pop-up here. Okay. So we will try these three scenarios in today's session. I am going to Eclipse. So I already created a Java class. You can also create a Java class. Okay. So here I added WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, which will open Chrome browser. Okay. Now we need to open this URL. I will copy this URL. The same URL I will give in the description also. Okay. In order to open, we can use get method. I'm writing driver dot get. Inside double quotes, I will give the URL. So after that, we can get the locator for this one. Okay. In order to automate this one, we need to be getting XPath or CSS selector for all the three buttons. Okay. I will right click on this first button. I'm clicking on inspect. The right side, I will be getting the XPath for this one. Here you can find the properties. Today I will use CSS selector. Driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. Okay. Now I need to pass the CSS selector for the first button. Here we have tag as button, so I'm giving that. You can give within the quotes. Okay. I'm going to use on click equal to JS alert. Okay. I copy the whole thing. Inside the square bracket, I will pass this one. Okay. Can give single quotes for this. Whenever you are giving value, you can give single quotes. Okay. So outside you can give double quotes. So this is the CSS selector for the first button. Okay. I will store this button 1. I will mouse around the button. You will be getting web element. Similarly, we will find for button 2 and 3 also. Okay. I am copying the same line for 2 and 3 also. Okay. For the second one, I am giving button 2. For the third one, I am giving name as button 3. Okay. So I will get the CSS selector for this. So here we have JS confirm. I copy this. There is only one change. The value is getting changed. I will copy this and paste it here. Okay. Similarly, I will do the same thing for third button also. Okay. So we found the locators for all the 3 buttons. So we used CSS selector in all the 3 places. Okay. So in CSS selector, we will not be giving @ here. Okay. When you are giving the value, so you will not be giving @ here. So that's the syntax for it. So when you are giving XPath, you need to be giving like this. And you need to give this also. Okay. So now I'm using CSS selector. I removed the @ also. First we will try with the first alert, that is JSS alert. First we need to click on the button 1. So I am writing button 1 dot click. Okay. So this will click this JS alert. You will be getting something like this. Okay. In order to click on OK, what we can do is we have an option given by Selenium for switching to the alert. Okay. You need to write driver dot switch to dot alert. So this is provided by Selenium. Now I am going to accept it. Accept by clicking on OK. So if you give accept, it will go and click on OK. Okay. Now I am quitting the browser. First we will try with this particular button 1. Then we will try button 2 and button 3. Okay. So I am running this run as Java application, this particular class file. Now it started running. So I think it clicked on it, but it is too fast. You are not able to observe that. I will give some wait time for observing this. Okay. Before clicking on this, I'm giving 5 seconds wait. After click, you will be seeing 5-second wait. Okay. After that also we can give some wait time. So now I am again running it. Now the page is loaded. First button is clicked and OK is clicked. You are seeing you successfully clicked on an alert. Okay. So button 1 automation we are able to do. So we will try the same thing with button 2. I will copy the same code. Instead of button 2, I will give like button 1. Instead of button 1, I will give button 2. Okay. Now it will click the second button. After that, we are going to click on OK. So we already done the same thing for button 1. So no need to write any additional code for this. But I will copy 28 and 29 line. No, I will copy this whole set again and paste it. Instead of accept, I will give like dismiss. Okay. First time we are trying with accept. Second time it will again click the button 2 and it will click cancel. Okay. When you are clicking cancel, you will be getting you clicked cancel. When you click OK, you will be getting OK. Fine. You will try the same thing. So I will comment the first automation be done. It will confuse us. So now we have the code only for button 2 automation. Okay. I am right clicking run as Java application. Now second button is clicked. This is going to click on OK. It clicked on OK. Now it clicked for the second time. Now it is going to cancel it. Both the things are done. Okay. So it accepted and dismissed. Both the things are done. So the automation for the second also done. We will try the same option with third button also. I will copy the whole code again and comment the button 2. Here also we are going to do the same thing, but additionally I am going to pass the text when I am accepting it. Okay. So for that only one additional step. I will change this to button 3. Before accept, I will copy the same line and paste it. Here instead of accept, I will pass send keys. Okay, inside that I will pass some text like Sai. Okay, so here I will close it. So instead of accepting alone, I am going to enter some text. Here I am entering Sai and clicking on OK. So you will be getting the Sai message here. After that I am clicking on cancel, you will be getting null. So this is the thing we have done. So we already written the code for dismiss. So no change required for dismiss. So I will run only the code for button 3 automation. Okay. So third button is clicked. It is going to enter Sai and click OK. So here you can see Sai is printed here. That means it is clicked with entering Sai. Now it will cancel. You will be getting null. Okay. Now I will run all the 3 button automation. Okay. So I am rerunning all the 3 buttons. So the first button, it is automated. It is clicking on OK. The second button is clicked. It is going to click on OK. Now it will open again and it will cancel. It will open the third button. Here it will enter the text and click OK. So that will be printed in the bottom in the result. Now it is going to cancel simply. You will get null. Now the browser will be closed. Okay. We have run all the 3 automation done for all the 3 buttons. Okay. So today we seen JavaScript alert automation using Selenium Java. I will give the URL in the description. You can refer it and you can practice it. Okay. So that's all I have for this video. Tomorrow we will see in another new video. Okay. Thank you.